Hello and welcome. Sometimes we need certain tips and techniques that can be used to make our classes easier, presentation of the class, to make notes, to give classwork, to make question papers. Today we will talk about two such inbuilt apps present in Windows 7 and higher versions also. These two apps are Magnifier and the Snipping Tool. Let us see the use of these two. First, we take a look at Magnifier. In order to launch Magnifier in the search, if we type M, we get this Magnifier app or MHE. We are going to get this Magnifier app. We click on this. What do we find? We find a very small window with minus and plus. As the name suggests, magnifier is used to magnify things on the computer screen. Sometimes during presentation, it becomes easier if we magnify things and show it to our students. So I click on plus, so the screen gets magnified. How much percentage of magnification or increase level we want, that can be changed from the settings. We go here to options and here we find that change zoom level. Here we can change it to 200. We can minus it and change zoom increments. We can change by how much each time we want the magnifier to magnify the screen, by how much percentage. 50% is okay, else it unnecessarily magnifies the entire screen. I'll give a minus to cross this settings. So this is a very useful tool to display certain things on the screen. Very helpful during the class. Now, in views section here, we have a full screen magnification. Right now we have the full screen magnification. Let us see what happens in lens magnification. So this is working as a lens. If you want to magnify certain parts, you can highlight those parts with this lens. Fine. Those parts can be highlighted. Then we come to docked. If we come to docked, actually the things are shown in this manner, at the top. So I feel usually full screen is good, and if you want to display in parts or magnifying in parts, then lens is also good. You have to be careful again where the magnifier is so that we can go there and put a minus, or we can go there and we can get back to full screen. Okay. Now, next, we come to the next tool, that is the snipping tool. So similarly, in the search window, we write SNI and we get the snipping tool. We click on it. Now, from the icon, it is quite understandable. It is used to cut. Cut what? It is used to take screenshots. Sometimes certain materials can't be downloaded, but we need those materials to be given to our students. We can take a screenshot. So it is a very useful tool to take screenshots. It has various modes: freeform, rectangular, window, full screen. Let us start one by one. We take a full screen snip. So what happened? The full screen shot came here. It came here. Now, we can find here the usual options of file. If you want to save your snip, we can go to save as, and we can save our snip in the desired location. So first screen, okay, and we click on save. Next, after that, right now I'm closing this magnifier. After that, we can print it. From edit, we can copy or edit it. We can easily see with paint, we can edit it. In tools, we have pen, highlighter, eraser. It is present here also. Pen, highlighter, eraser. Very useful if we want to take a snip and we want to make the students understand. It is giving an option of pen also. What pen? I am taking a red pen. And see, it is working here. Right? So if you want to write certain things, the pen can be useful on the snip. So I can point this and I can say that it is a browser. So in this manner, we can write also on the screenshots and we can erase them. So we can erase it in this manner. Okay. Now, after this, let us close this snipping tool, or let us take a new snip. Now, this time mode I am taking is rectangular snip. So if I take a rectangular snip, I can take something of this sort and the entire thing came in the shape of a rectangle. Again, the similar tools can be applied to this. Pen, eraser. Again, let us take a new snip and let us take the mode as window snip. Now, what is basically a window snip? Suppose we have this window, this one, and suppose we have this window. We have two windows. Okay, right now we are having these two windows. One is a word, one is a normal. This is screen recorder window with which I am recording this video. So suppose I want a full snip of this. We can see that arrow is changing to a hand shape. Suppose I come here and suppose I come here, it is changing, right? So I can click on this and okay, we are into Windows Snip. Okay, it is giving select the window you want to capture. So I am selecting this and this got captured, right? So in this manner, we can capture any window. I say a no. I minimize this. Once again, launching the snipping tool. And this time, let us see the freeform snip. Freeform snip is something like this. Okay, taking any shape, right? So in this manner, the snipping tool can be used to take different kinds of screenshots and can be used during our presentations. If a file is not getting downloaded, if certain notes are required, we can take screenshots of them, we can highlight them, we can erase if anything is unnecessary, and we can use those screenshots during our classes. So here we have seen the use of the magnifier tool and the snipping tool. Thank you.